What is up, guys? BTD Technology here, and today we're going to be going over my review of my brand new keyboard, the Tec KG011 mechanical keyboard. Now, with the model that I got the brushed aluminum and the white finish with the blue backlighting. So currently, at this point in time of recording, on Amazon it is $41.99, which is a steal for this keyboard. But Amazon just had their Prime Tech Day, and so this thing went on sale for a very short time. It sold out pretty quick for the sale at least, and I managed to snag it up for $25.99, which was crazy for this keyboard. Now, if $40 is a little over your price range, they have some other options. They have just a solid black one for $37. They have a solid white one for $39, and it's going to be the same as the one that I have with the backlighting, just it doesn't have the backlighting. So it's going to be the same keyboard, just no backlighting. But anyway, so let's get on to what the keyboard actually is. So as you guys can see, it has an all aluminum build and some great backlighting on this. So as you guys can see, the entire body is brushed aluminum, which looks and feels really nice. And the WASD and the arrow keys are also switchable. So if you're a gamer and you tend to wear out the WASD keys, you can just switch it out with the arrow keys, and that's really smart on their part. Now, to change the backlighting, you just hold down the function key and you hit either plus or minus, and it'll change the backlight intensity accordingly to however many times you press the button. Now, above the number pad over here, we have the function that you have turned on the keyboard. You also have a number pad, which is great for people who use numbers a lot. So the keycaps on this keyboard are very well made. They're made of a soft touch plastic, and it feels really nice to type on because these keys do have a concave to them, so your finger rests really well on it. And then it also has a standard cross on the back, so you can put any keycap you want on this keyboard. And the switches on these are MX Blue equivalents, so they feel really nice and clicky to type on. And then just to put the keycap back on, you just line up the crosses and you push down. Now, I was able to get a lot faster on my words per minute. I got 58 and 100% accuracy, which is the best I've ever done. So here's a quick sound test. So overall, I think this is a really good keyboard for the money. For under $50, you get a great build quality with brushed aluminum, nice keycaps, MX Blue equivalent switches, and I think it's really good for what you pay for it. The only problem that I have with it is that it did scuff up just a little bit near the bottom. As you can see right here, it kind of has a tiny scuff, and then there's one up at the corner over here, but it's nothing really major. So overall, I think this is the best keyboard that you can get for under $50. It's a great mechanical keyboard. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one.